In a world brimming with untapped potential and unseen forces, have you ever pondered the true extent of your power to shape reality? Imagine for a moment unlocking the secrets to manifesting not just what you desire, but everything your heart truly yearns for, swiftly and with precision. Today, we embark on a transformative journey beyond the confines of conventional understanding, diving deep into the realms of spirituality and quantum possibility. This isn't just another tutorial. It's a gateway to a life where your deepest desires don't just live in your imagination, but become your reality. By coming on this journey with me and watching till the very end, you will not only discover the boundless power within you, but also learn to harness it, shaping your reality with the finesse of a master sculptor. Your life, as you know it, will never be the same again. Welcome to a pivotal moment in your journey towards unlocking your highest potentials. As we stand at the threshold of a new era in human consciousness, it's imperative that we harness the ancient wisdom and cutting-edge insights that allow us to connect with our most profound abilities. Today, we delve into the sacred art of manifestation as revealed by Dolores Cannon in her many speeches. We will be summarizing and blending timeless spiritual teachings with the quantum understanding of our universe. This knowledge, once reserved for mystics and sages, is now yours to use. Let's embark on this transformative expedition together. Today may well be the first day of the rest of your life. The choice is yours if you act on what you will learn. The power of present moment and specificity. First and foremost, the universe speaks the language of the present moment, a dialect of clarity and specificity. When you articulate your desires, do so with precision, as if they are already your reality. This is not mere wishful thinking, but a potent act of creation. Steps to mastering the present moment are as follows. Clarity is your compass. Just as a navigator uses a compass to chart a course, use clarity to direct the energies of the universe towards your desires. Be as detailed as possible. The universe's canvas paints with the brush strokes you provide. The present moment is your canvas. All your power is in the now. Understand that the future is a continuation of the present. By focusing your intentions and actions in the now, you shape the trajectory of your reality. Always speak your affirmations in the present tense, as all your power is in the now, as Eckhart Tolle tells us in his many books. Specificity is your power. The difference between a life of dreams realized and one of vague outcomes lies in your ability to be specific. Your desires should be so clear that the universe has no choice but to respond in kind. Declare specific amounts of money, not vague things like, I want lots of money. Say something like, I am so happy that now I have brought $10,000 in passive income streams from my books and Etsy store into my life. Isn't it wonderful? As Neville Goddard has said, the feeling is the secret. So speak with passion and feeling. What does it feel like to have that in your life? Visualization and emotional alignment. The act of visualization transcends mere daydreaming. It's an immersive process where every detail of your desire is felt, seen, and experienced in the mind's eye. This vivid engagement of the senses aligns your emotional energy with your vision, magnetizing it into your reality. Vivid visualization. Picture your desires with such intensity and detail that they feel tangible. The colors, the emotions, the textures. Immerse yourself in the experience. Everyone can visualize. If you can think of a pink elephant or even speak about your trip to a friend's home last year in any detail, then you are visualizing what happened and speaking about it. So if you feel you can't see your visualizations, then just write them out on paper, or even better yet, speak them out loud, with emotion in your words, speaking to the universe as if you were excited and speaking to a friend about what wonderful things have happened to you. Your words hold the power, as Florence Scovel Shinn has mentioned in her book, Your Word is Your Wand. So use your words like the magic wands that they are. Emotional resonance. Align your emotions with your visualizations. Feel the joy, the gratitude, and the fulfillment as if your desires have already manifested. This emotional resonance amplifies the manifesting process. Going back to our example before, declaring, isn't it wonderful? As Neville Goddard has said, truly the feeling is the secret, so speak with passion and feeling. Conjure up what it feels like to have your dreams fulfilled. Consistency in practice. Regular visualization or speaking your visualizations out loud fortifies the connection between your internal vision and its external manifestation. It's a bridge between worlds, built with the bricks of persistent imagination. Silva Mind founder Jose Silva says, if you need something urgently, it is best to do your visualization practice 3 times a day for just 5 to 15 minutes, for 30 days. Then let it go, trusting that the universe is working on your project. The role of positive intentions and affirmations. Words and thoughts are not merely expressions but powerful frequencies that interact with the fabric of the cosmos. Through positive intentions and affirmations, you engage in a dynamic conversation with the universe, one that shapes your reality. Crafting your reality with words. Speak your world into existence. Each word and thought sends a ripple through the cosmos, attracting like energies. It isn't just the words, the emotions that go with the words are what make the words powerful. Affirmations as anchors. Use affirmations to anchor your desires in the present moment. These positive declarations reinforce your belief and expectancy, acting as magnets for your manifestations. Rote reciting of affirmations will get you nowhere, so make sure to inject your joy and excitement into your daily affirmation practice. Regardless of if you use the word prayer or affirmation, you must do them with feeling or they mean nothing, for you are just reciting empty words. Words plus. Your feelings are what gives them the power to manifest into reality. The power of belief. Belief is the soil in which your affirmations grow and flourish. Nurture this like a garden with the waters of conviction and watch as your reality blossoms. Belief means that you trust the universe. The universe or God or Great Spirit, whatever you desire to call it, can't respond if you have no faith that what you are asking can even happen. As the Bible has said, if you have the faith of a mustard seed, one of the smallest seeds, it turns into a huge, massive bush once it blooms. Your belief and trust that your requests can be answered are the nourishment that is needed to turn your small ideas into big results. Understanding time and patience in manifestation. Time in the realm of manifestation is an ally, not an adversary. Patience and trust in the divine timing of the universe are essential. Your desires unfold in a symphony of perfect timing, each note played at just the right moment. Just as a complex symphony is played with perfect timing for each instrument to play its part. Divine timing. Trust that the universe's timing is impeccable. Your manifestations are unfolding in the sequence that serves your highest good. Patience as a virtue. So you must cultivate patience as you would if you were growing a garden. It is in the waiting that roots grow deep and the foundation of your desires strengthens. A gardener doesn't plant seeds and go dig them up every day to see if they are growing. That kills the plants, the same as it kills off your own manifestation powers. As noted before, spend time every day for 21 or 30 days meditating on and affirming your desires, then you must let it go. Everything that is born takes time. To give birth to a child takes 9 months from conception to birth, so just know that your dreams may well also take as long to manifest if you but allow them to unfold as they are meant to in divine time. Surrender to the flow. Release your grip on the when and how. Surrender to the natural flow of events, understanding that what is yours will arrive at the perfect moment. Know you are loved and trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Worry means you do not trust, so release your worries. Take inspired actions that come to you as inspiration. Spiritual alignment and the importance of energy. To manifest effectively, your spiritual frequency must resonate with the essence of your desires. Spiritual alignment is the harmony between your inner being and the universe, a symphony of high vibrational energy that attracts like frequencies. You will be raising your vibration by engaging in practices that elevate your spiritual frequency. Meditation, gratitude, and acts of kindness are not just acts of self-improvement but powerful tools for manifestation. They open the doorways to inspired action and help you become sensitive to those subtle nudges that move you in the right direction. Daily. Alignment with your true self. You know your authentic desires because those are the ones that resonate with your soul's purpose. And once you are in tune with those, then you actually can begin to manifest more readily and rapidly. As you meditate and grow sensitive to your energetic field, you will ensure that your aspirations are in harmony with your true self. When that happens, you really have tapped into something magical, and manifestations speed up at that point because you move beyond time and space and into the quantum field. The energetic echo. The universe mirrors your vibrational state. Emit love, joy, and abundance, and the cosmos will reflect these energies back to you in the form of your desires. If you are angry, critical, and judgmental to others, that slows your manifestations down because you are on a low frequency. That is why Jesus has said, "Do not judge, lest you be judged yourself." It was to assist people with learning to love their neighbor and raise their vibration. Universal love is the answer, really, to all your needs. Universal love is the doorway to faster manifestations because you are vibrating at such a high state of being. This is why Jesus, all saints and sages, all say the same thing. You must love. Why? Because love elevates you to the fourth and fifth dimensions where manifestations happen more rapidly. You are a vibrational match to the universe's vibration because God, the universe, is love. Trust in the process and the universe's role. Finally, trust is the golden thread that weaves through the tapestry of all manifestation processes. It's a deep knowing in your heart that the universe is not only listening, but responding, orchestrating events in your favor, beyond your wildest dreams. Know that you are precious to the universe. You are loved, and the universe wants nothing more than to give you what will bring you joy as long as it is for the greatest good of all and is coming from a loving place. You must release the how. Focus on the what and why of your desires. Release the how to the universe, allowing it to surprise and delight you with its ingenuity. The universe has literally created everything you see, so it has unlimited ways that it can fulfill your request and orchestrate it to happen far beyond your human ability to conceive. Faith in the unseen. Embrace faith in the unseen mechanisms of the cosmos. It is far bigger than you are and knows all that you need before you really even know yourself. Once you tap into this, your belief acts as a beacon, guiding your desires into physical form. The greater you vibrate in love, trust, and knowing, the faster your manifestations can happen because you stop blocking them. That is the art of allowing, as Abraham Hicks teaches us in their many books. You are co-creating with the cosmos. Once you understand that you are a child of God, a child of the universe, you come to recognize that you are a co-creator with the universe. This partnership is a dance of divine synchronicity, where your actions and intentions are met with universal support. In conclusion, as we journey through the sacred landscape of manifestation, remember that you are the sculptor of your reality. The tools of clarity, visualization, affirmation, patience, spiritual alignment, and trust are yours to wield with wisdom and grace. As you apply these principles, watch as the universe rearranges itself to manifest your desires. This knowledge is not just for personal gain, but a gift to be shared, illuminating the path for others as we collectively elevate the consciousness of our world. Thank you for joining me on this profound journey of co-creation with the universe. Together, let's create a reality that reflects our highest aspirations, not just for ourselves, but for the betterment of humanity and the planet. The future is not only in your hands, it's in your heart, your mind, and your spirit. Let the manifestation begin. So, as we draw this enlightening journey to a close, let us carry forward a timeless reminder from the sage Ram Dass. We're all just walking each other home. In the context of our exploration today, this profound statement illuminates our shared path of manifestation, growth, and spiritual awakening. Each step we take towards realizing our deepest desires not only brings us closer to our own truth, but also lights the way for others on their journey. In mastering the art of manifestation, we do not walk alone. We are both guides and companions, co-creators in this magnificent dance of the cosmos. Together, with every dream brought into reality, with every intention set and met with love, we walk each other back to the essence of who we truly are. Remember, in this interconnected universe, your manifestation is a beacon of hope, a testament to the power within us all. So let us proceed with kindness, courage, and a deep trust in the journey, knowing that in helping others manifest their dreams, we are indeed walking each other home.